Good day, guys. So today we are installing vertical POP molds on a number of the pillars in some of the apartments. So currently John, our POP designer, is cutting up some pieces which will be going on the lower ends of the molds which have already been installed, and you'll be seeing how they look like as we proceed with the video. So right now John has finished cutting up the pieces neatly, and he's gonna grab a piece of fiber to clean it up to make sure that there's no dirt or dust or any sort of residue on them which will affect the finished work once it's done. So right now you can see that we've done the mold design for the pillars. Now, the designs are not long enough, or the length is a bit short. So we have to cut off some of the molds to complete it at the bottom end. So at the moment we've cut out the pieces, and John is applying the POP cement mixture to the mold so he can attach it to the walls. John, so can you tell us a bit about what is going on here?
Yes, I can give you the information for those ones. See, this one, you may come this way. Join them because it is not long in.
So John, I can see you're leaving a small gap. Why are you leaving that gap for?
You know, it is not a normal for straight. So I have to do it this way so that I can get the straight.
Okay. So you're using some stones to support it.
Yeah. That's all.
That's it. So he's able to hold it.
Yeah.
Attach it to the wall now.
And now on paper, I will clean the.
Okay, so you're cleaning the surface to make sure there's no POP cement on it. Right.
So that it will dry fast, then I'll make my filler.
Okay. So you're going to use the same POP cement as a filler?
Yeah. Okay, anyway.
So I'm just going to show how it looks like from the ceiling. Coming down. So this is how the pillars look like. You can see it's got a lot of rough edges on them. It was quite rough from the cast, so we put in the design molds on them to give them a smooth finish and a very nice effect. So this was the before, the mold. And over here, you can see the after, how it looks like. Quite a lovely transformation. So we're going to walk back to John to see how it's going. Now, if you enjoy our videos and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do subscribe. And if you've subscribed but you haven't clicked the notification bell, please do so, so that you don't miss out on any of our videos that we post. And also, if you have any questions, drop us a message. If you like the videos, send us a message, let us know what you think, and keep in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. So thank you very much, and appreciate all your support so far. So John, why do you keep using a mesh on it?
To remove that small POP on it. small. You see these ones? I have to use the
mesh to clean
it well. Or the fiber.
So
I finished.
Although it's not done yet, you can see the transformation, and it's well connected. It's become one straight vertical lines. So I'm going to show the other ones as well. All of them neatly done. And it's the third pillar. Beautifully done. And that's a close-up of the ceiling. So this is how the ceiling looks like. So we're currently in one of the living rooms. So this will be the living room. I'm just gonna hand the camera along so you get a view of. So this is one of the living rooms in the apartment.